Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can grab a full 12-month Xbox Game Pass completely for free. And when I say a whole year, I really mean it. I'll take you through every single step, and the really nice part is, you can handle the entire thing straight from your phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, it's just a few minutes of your time. By the time we're done, you'll have a working 12-month code ready to redeem. Before we dive in though, I've got a quick request. If this ends up working for you, do me a huge favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment down below. It genuinely helps push this video out to more folks while the codes are still floating around. Alright, let's jump right in. First up, just grab your phone and fire up browser you normally use. Chrome, Safari, whatever you're most comfortable with. Once it's open, head over to twistycoupons.com. When the page loads, just scroll down until you spot the offer that says Xbox Game Pass. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a page with all the details. You'll notice a little counter showing exactly how many codes are left, so try not to dawdle too long. Once you click into the offer, you'll see that the actual code is currently locked. Don't sweat it, though. Unlocking it is pretty straightforward. All you've got to do is finish up 2 quick sponsor tasks, and don't worry, these are completely free. There's no payment required, no subscriptions to sign up for, and absolutely nothing sketchy. The tasks themselves are usually super light. You might just need to download a free app and launch it, jump into a mobile game and hit a certain milestone, or test out a VPN for a bit. Usually, completing out both of these takes about 5 to 10 minutes at most. Once you've finished those 2 offers, just hop back over to the site, and your 12-month Game Pass code should pop up on its own. If it doesn't show up right away, no big deal. It can occasionally take a second to sync up as a backup. You can always knock out 1 extra offer just to be absolutely sure it triggers. After that, simply copy the code, head over to your Xbox account, paste it in, and you're all set. You now have Xbox Game Pass for a full year, which means you've got hundreds of games on tap, multiplayer access, and even day 1 releases. It's honestly pretty straightforward, and it really does work. If this saved you some cash or just helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me which game you're planning to dive into first. If you have questions along the way, just leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to help you sort it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.